Hi, this is Susana Field, the Steamboat Gal. Thought I'd take advantage of sitting up here at the Quarry, what's known as the Quarry, up on Emerald Mountain, looking to the east across to Mount Werner, the ski mountain, to kind of giving you an overview of the Steamboat area. So directly ahead of us is the ski mountain. I'll scan down and you'll see a highway there running from left to right. That's Highway 40. When it goes through downtown, which is way to our left, it turns into Lincoln Avenue. But this is Highway 40, and I'm scanning over to the south. Probably can't quite make it out, but that would be the beginning of the climb up and over Rabbit Ears Pass and the Continental Divide. If you were to take a right, you can see maybe a little fork over there going to the right. That would take you to 131 and head you down towards I-70 in the Vail corridor. Haymaker Golf Course is out there, as are several ranches. You can see somebody on the water ski lake down there, water skiing. That's also where there is a ramp where the freestyle skiers train doing their tricks into the water there at the lake. You can see the Yampa River meandering down here through this valley. And you can see a strip of like sidewalk going along the river there, just on the other side of the river before the highway. And that is the bike path that goes all the way through town. Now, looking back at the mountain, as far as neighborhoods, when you're looking for a place to buy, I want to show you that over here to the right-hand side, where you see all of those homes. Those are single-family homes, townhomes, duplexes, and getting closer to the mountain, mostly condominiums. See that white structure there? That is the tennis bubble. We've got a really great tennis center. To the left of it, you'll see a big parking lot, and that's one of the off-site kind of parking lots for the ski area, where you can take shuttle buses up to the ski resort. There's a building right there just beyond the parking lot, and that's the new, what's it called? Wild Horse Trailhead. Can't remember the name. But those are condominiums. They have their own little gondola going up to the base, which eventually the ski area will join ranks with, and they'll be put a larger gondola there to transport everyone from the parking lot. Now you can see the base area. That's the Grand, one Steamboat Place, and some of the large condominium units that are slope side. As you can tell, we don't have a lot of slope side residences. You can see down there those kind of white tops also in the big parking lot. That's Central Park Plaza. That's where Walmart is, City Market, number of different stores. Scanning a bit more to the left, there's up towards the ski area from there, that's the hospital. That is the Rolling Stone Golf Course behind there. And then back towards the highway more is Safeway, Staples, a number of other stores, building supplies. At this point, the bike path comes in away from the road and starts following the river. That's Dream Island Trailer Park. The big open space there is the Rita Valentine Park. Scanning up farther, that goes into Fish Creek Falls. The homes right around the Rolling Stone Golf Course is the Sanctuary area. Then following down here, You'll see that there are some soccer fields. Right beyond where we can't see would be the botanical gardens. Now this area here, as far as housing, is called the Fish Creek Falls, the Fish Creek area. You can see that there's some townhomes, some duplexes in the foreground, but then you get into a lot of single-family homes. It's getting harder to see with these bushes here, but off in that distance, that's heading into Strawberry Park. Strawberry Park Elementary School is in the background there, as is the middle school. And then in the foreground, you can mostly just see a parking lot, but that's the high school, and the high school, the football fields to the right. And then we would be getting into the start of downtown, which we can't see. At this point, I'm going to sign off, but I do want to show you one last thing. Scooching back over towards the Fish Creek area, you can see that line going up the mountain there. That is the high-powered power lines which cut across the Fish Creek neighborhood. And following back here, you could see that they eventually cut across 40 and up Emerald Mountain Way over to where I am. A number of houses sit underneath those power lines, and depending on how you feel about power lines, that can be a plus or a minus from what can otherwise be some really great views and beautiful homes sitting underneath them. I'll see if I can get a view of downtown for you. Bye. I've gotten a bit higher so that now we've left the Fish Creek area and scanning over to the downtown. The hill is in the way so that we can't actually see the main road through downtown from this vantage point, but you can see the larger buildings downtown there. You can see this backside of Emerald Mountain. In the distance there, those red buildings with the white roofs are the community college. That valley back there, if you can see again, there's the Strawberry Park Elementary School, and that is Strawberry Park. Hot springs are up that road, and Buffalo Pass is up and over that way where you climb over the Continental Divide. Going to the left of the college, I'm going to keep scanning, and now we're getting into what's called West Steamboat, which is more of the industrial area. The airport used to have flights in from Denver, but now is only for private planes because of the size of the runway is also there. And in the back, that road would take you straight up towards Steamboat Lake, and Hans Peak is just to the left of this tall tree. Steamboat Lake is up that way, and if you continued, you'd end up in Wyoming. Scanning even further, we're looking at Sleeping Giant. Sunsets over Sleeping Giant, so we're looking west. And Highway 40 would continue and take you all the way to the next neighboring little town of Milner, then Hayden, Craig, and on all the way to Utah. At the base of Sleeping Giant, I don't know if you can see, there's some homes down in there. That would be the Steamboat 2, Silver Spur, Heritage Park area that has a lot of nice residential homes. That's about it. Thanks.